guys, back at Minecraft Speed. First, let's take a look at my skin. Yep, everything's looking alright. I'm done. Let's go to the park. I'm done from shopping. Teleportation, not working. Wow, nice bridge that I made. Pretty strong now. We need to make it. If I am home, where is everybody? Oh, Mr. Villager? Are you invisible? Or are you hiding in the bushes? I'm invisible. Mr. Villager, where are you going? Oh, they will kill one by one. The graveyard is sexy again as a graveyard. At my graveyard? That's my grandpa's and grandma's graveyard. Oh, it's no use. We can't help it. Too old to attack me. One chose a great story. A skeleton? Oh, what do you mean? A skeleton behind you? Oh, I'm invisible. Who can see by the shadow? And I'll be behind. What's the eyes? Don't go there. Nah, I'm just going. No one will see that invention. Last bridge I made. Oh yeah, I forgot about my ski project. Well, didn't turn out well, but it's kinda good to me. Whee! Ha! Ooh, whoop, whoop. Aha! Ooh, whoop, whoop, whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! I almost crashed. The teleportation is always been work. Maybe this leads to half. Oh, flip down. They're all flip down. It's fun then. Yes. Precaution table is glass, so you can never go there, kids. I'm around my old inventions. Oh, the wishing well I needed. The wishing well was so nice. I almost drowned it. Oh, there's my nice pack of something, and oh, it's kinda. Oh, such a nice day. Ooh. Yeah, later. Now today I'll be in my ancient Egypt fire. I don't like to explode it. But down, if you do down, you press a button that will explode the ancient Egypt. I will be beautiful. Let's get the fix. Oh, this is my redstone work. Failure. I thought I was gonna make a castle instead of spreading out bricks. Parkour. Hup, 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 hup. Oh, let's try this one. I can try it now. Hop. This much better. Hop. Failure. Seems like it's kinda quiet. Kinda creepy. Kinda creepy.
bunga na yan.
Kinda creepy! Kinda creepy! Okay na, guys. Okay na, guys. This guy's a little weird. I'm just weird. It's pushing me down. The river's hard. Climbing? I like climbing too.
Ano ba, Bert? Pinapupunta ka.
Ligot. I climbed the tree. I climbed the tree. Yay! Yay! Now we. Gusto ko lang to. Tapos ko lang to. After that, I need to jump
Ano yun? Matulog ka
here.
na? Hindi ka pa matutulog?
There and down.
Mat.